This brand is all over TikTok, so I'm trying Focallure on my eyes, cheeks, and lips. 3 different looks. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, basically things that make you more fabulous at any age. So if you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that little red subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, if you've been looking at TikTok makeup videos, you've probably seen this brand Focallure. They do things for the eyes, cheeks, lips. It's really expanding to be quite a brand. A lot of the products are on Amazon as well. I am trying a few of these for you today, actually for 3 days. I did 3 different looks, different eye looks and lip looks, and used this blush on all 3 days. So anyway, today I'm just gonna show you what I did and give my overall opinion on these products. Okay, for today's eye look, I'm using this Chameleon Gel eyeshadow. The shade is called Tequila Sunrise. It's called Chameleon because it actually changes colors. And I noticed I've not used this before, so first time trying it, y'all. But I noticed, look, it's very thick gel material. So I'm actually going to take this that's on the lid and put a little bit on my brush. I don't have any powder base. I do have a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. And let's just spread this along a little bit. This is just a quick and easy way to get an interesting color and shine look. Okay, now I did add a little bit of NYX gel liner and a little bit of the Milk Kush mascara. Now onto the Focallure Red Wine Blusher. And wow, very, very pink. Let's see how much, just a little touch I think will probably go a long way. Blender brush here and blend it in and up. Yes, it blends very nicely and it adds a bit of glow as well as color. And now the lips today, out of this lip kit, Focallure, I'm using, I think, pinker shades. Let's see. This is the liner. I don't know if there's a name of this color or not, but let's line. Okay, first time using it, the tip is a little bit sharp. I think it should smooth down as I use it more. Okay, I think I'd rank this probably about average as far as the roll-up liners. It's not as good as the ones from Runway Rogue or Rena Beauty, a few others I've got that are just excellent, but it's better than some of the cheaper ones. Now this is the Focallure liquid lipstick, and this is called Dolce Doll. It's got a lot of shine to it. I think I am liking this lip gloss. Okay, so this is my first eye look, and first day using any of these new products. And yeah, so far I'm liking them. Like I said, the lip liner is probably not going to be my favorite, but I'm liking the gloss a lot, and I think this eyeshadow is going to be kind of cool. For my second eye look using Focallure, I'm using the pencils. And I'm going to start, this pencil is called, they're all numbered. This one's number 10, and this is just kind of a nude. The mirror, and I'm just going to apply this basically over pretty much all of my eyelids, starting at the inner corner, working my way out. And it just adds a little bit of sort of a pinky nude shine. This one is sort of a gold. I think they called it coral, but it doesn't look coral to me. It looks more gold. So I'm going to take the gold and just draw a line right above. I used a little bit of just a basic Sephora liner on this, but I'm going to draw this line right above the liner. Just to add a little extra shine. And these are sort of pinky shades. This one is a brighter pink. So let's take this brighter pink and go in the outer corners. The corner and going into the crease a little bit, sort of drawing like a little V right in the corner of the eye. Okay, that looks kind of loud right now, yeah. And this is sort of the lighter pink, the rose gold. So I'm taking that and just extending it into, from the beginning, from about a third of the way up toward the outer edge. And blend this in. And there we go. We've got a really nice, colorful look using 4 Focallure crayons. Okay, I added my Focallure blush plus a little mascara. And today I'm using this same lip pencil kit, but different shades. They don't really list the colors on these, but anyway, this one is sort of a lighter nudie pink. And this, I guess, is sort of, again, a pink nude. And now the gloss. Again, I have a lot of shine. Okay, so this is my second day using Focallure for the eyes, lips, and cheeks. Well, for my third day using these new Focallure products, I'm going to do my eyes with a combination of the sticks and the gel. So I'm going to start with the brightest shade 11 and the more pale shade 10. And let's just take the mirror and draw like right above the crease line, sort of the outer edge of the eye, and then right along the lash line with this pink. And again here, sort of like above the crease line, and then along the lash line on the outer edges of the eye. Okay, yeah, it looks a little clownish right now. And then take the lighter shade here and to put this along the inner corner, along the lash line, and again, going up to meet with the other along the crease line. Okay, and then to blend it all together, I'm going to use the gel. So here we go. Here we go. I'm going to just take this with on my finger a little bit and rub it in. And just rub this along. And then take the brush and just kind of blend everything together. There we go. Now for my final lip look, I'm again going to use one of the liners in this. But I'm going to use the very first Focallure product I bought, which is this Glisten Lip Balm. So I'm going to do the liner first. And now here is the lip balm. This is in a shade called Bittersweet. And here is the color. And this product gives so much shine. Plus I do find it's a little more moisturizing. While the glosses give a lot of shine, overall, by later in the day, they tended to feel a little bit drying. There we go. So this is my third look using Focallure on my eyes, lips, and cheeks. For the cheeks, they make other products, but the one I tried was this red wine blusher. It's a liquid blush, very heavily pigmented. A few dots go a long way. I've used it all 3 days. This lip kit, while I don't think it is going to be my favorite, these beautiful shine, but a little bit drying. These, they're soft, they go on easy, but they are not as heavily pigmented, and they also tended to break off a little bit. But it's still a pretty good product, and it's definitely a good deal. I think it was like $9 on Amazon for all 6 pieces. This tends to be one of my favorite Focallure lip products. This balm it's glistens, it shines, and it's moisturizing at the same time. The eye products, I love the pencils. You can do so many combinations. You can just use one color and get a really quick, easy look. You can use a multitude of colors and come up with something a lot more elaborate. Also, the gel is very nice. It's very different from the texture, the feel of any other eye product I have. So I'm really liking the brand, very affordable. You can find it on TikTok shops. You can also find it on Amazon. I'm going to put the Amazon links below. So anyway, I'm enjoying these products. I'm going to be using them, I think, a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.